Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. It's Jen here. Today I'm going to take you guys through as I straighten up my house. It's not like a major deep cleaning or anything, but I just kind of go through each room and tidy everything up and just make it all feel fresh and clean. And I wanted to bring you guys along. So as usual, I hope it gives you guys some cleaning motivation to get some stuff done around your own home. And I'm going to start here in the kitchen just by cleaning off the counters and then getting the dishes done, and then I'll move into my room. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That super helps me out.
No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Ooh, now I'm on the I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth. Ooh, now I know the
And now I'm going to be using this Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray in the mint scent to clean all the surfaces in my kitchen. I absolutely love all the Miss Meyer's products. I get all of mine from Grove Collaborative, and if you are a new customer, I'll have a referral link down in the description box that you can go through and get a free 5-piece gift set. And I have never ordered anything from there that I have not absolutely loved. The way that it smells, the way that it cleans, everything. It's all natural, not harsh chemicals or anything. They are just absolutely amazing. And all of the products that I use in this cleaning video are from Grove. here I'm going to use the Miss Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner to clean out my sink. It works better than anything I've used, and I love how it smells. It's a lemon verbena scent. And then these little lemon drops I just drop down in the garbage disposal, and it cleans down there. I got those from Walmart a while back. And then this is also from Grove. This is the Miss Meyer's candle and the basil scent, which I absolutely love. It smells so good, and I just light it next to my sink once I'm done cleaning in the kitchen.
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
And now we'll go ahead and head into my room and just do a quick little tidy up, make the bed, pick up a few things that are just kind of scattered randomly, and then do a quick vacuum. I'm not going to dust and do all that stuff. This is just a quick tidy up in here, make it livable, and move on to the next room.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright.
Okay, so I'm going to start now in the living room with the never-ending battle of the throw pillows. Let me know down below if anybody else has a constant battle with throw pillows. They never stay on the couch. They end up all over my living room. I pick them up 100 times a day. Let me know if I'm alone or if anybody else has that struggle. But my little guy's there laying on the couch. He's just watching TV, so I'm just going to kind of pick up around him, get all the throw pillows back up, pick up the few things that are on the floor, and then I will clean off the surfaces and vacuum. And I'll be using this Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner in the almond scent on all of the wood surfaces in my living room and dining room. I love how it smells and it works amazing, and I get it from Grove as well. And you guys are probably wondering why I don't have any decor out and my house looks so bare. If you've been following me for a little while, then you know that I absolutely love to decorate and I love having decor out all over my house. But after fall and Christmas, I just had so much decor everywhere that once I took it down, that I actually liked it just being bare and very minimal. So I've had it like that for a couple months, but I am about to put my spring and summer stuff out because I'm ready for some stuff to come back out. So I'll probably do a decorate with me. So make sure you're subscribed so that you will get the notification when that video goes live. And now I am just moving into my dining room and getting my dining room table cleared off. It's like the catch-all, of course. In here, everything ends up on it, so I'm going to put everything in its home and get it all cleaned off, and then I'll be using that Method Wood for Good cleaner on all the surfaces in here as well. Okay, so as you see, I am working with a hot mess over here. I've got a ton of papers and books and stuff stacked up from my husband's business, and then just a bunch of stuff everywhere. Underneath, I have a ton of craft and DIY stuff that I've had stored under there. I've been planning to declutter it and reorganize it all so that it's like functioning, because right now I just kind of have it all thrown under there, and I have more in my garage and out in a closet. So if you guys are interested in seeing a decluttering and organization video for all of this DIY and craft materials, definitely let me know down below and I can bring that for you guys. But I am going to get everything just put up on the table for right now, and I'm going to wipe everything down the desk, and then I'm going to vacuum underneath really good. My husband actually built this desk for me, and it's not completed. So that's, you can see there's still a spot where a little drawer will go, but it's not done yet. But we still use it nonetheless, so I'm going to get it all cleaned off here and then vacuum underneath and clean it out under there really good. right, y'all, and that will do it for this cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me, and I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation to get some stuff done around your own home. If you did enjoy the video, I would love it if you would hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I have a ton of different videos coming out. I do a ton of different stuff here on the channel, and I would love to have you as part of the YouTube fam. So definitely hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I hope you guys have an awesome, blessed day, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.